Hey everyone, welcome back to EncycloHub. If your goal is to score 750 or higher on digital SAT math, this video will give you a clear and practical strategy that actually works. Before we dive in, I quickly want to let you know that I offer Core Tutoring Services. These include one-on-one private tutoring, score improvement packages, and homework help, plus doubt sessions. If you feel you need personalized guidance, just WhatsApp or call me at +919009368238. Now let's talk about how to really push your digital SAT math score into the 750 plus range. First, you need to understand how the test is structured. The math section has two adaptive modules. How well you perform on Module 1 directly affects the difficulty of Module 2. If you do well in the first module, the second one becomes harder. That means your main focus should be building accuracy and confidence in Module 1 so you can unlock the harder questions and still handle them. Here's the complete strategy. Number 1, master the high-frequency topics. Focus heavily on algebra, advanced math, and problem solving and data analysis. These make up most of the test. Geometry and trigonometry are important, but they appear less often. Number 2, get extremely comfortable with Desmos. The graphing calculator is your biggest advantage. Learn how to solve equations, systems, and graphs quickly using Desmos. Many high scorers finish questions much faster because of this tool. Number 3, practice with real timing. Do not just solve problems casually. Always practice under timed conditions. Aim to finish Module 1 with 3 to 4 minutes left so you can check your answers. Number 4, keep an error log. Every time you get a question wrong, write down why. Was it a concept issue, a careless mistake, or a timing problem? Review this log every week. This single habit can easily add 40 to 60 points. Number 5, focus on Module 2 hard questions. Once your basics are strong, start practicing the hardest questions regularly. These are the ones that separate 700 scores from 750 plus scores. Number 6, take full-length practice tests. Take one every 7 to 10 days and carefully review every mistake. Spend more time reviewing than you spent taking the test. If you follow this plan consistently for 4 to 6 weeks, a 750 plus score is very realistic. If you want structured support while preparing, I offer Core Tutoring Services, including one-on-one private tutoring, score improvement packages, and homework help with doubt sessions. Just WhatsApp or call me at +919009368238, and we can create a plan that fits your schedule and target score. Thanks for watching EncycloHub. Keep practicing smart, and I will see you in the next video.